Hello again, students. If you tuned in last week, you might remember my cheer niece, Allie. I kept her around so that I could teach a lesson on the brain. This lesson is only on 3 parts of the brain. There's lots of parts of your brain. This brain is focused on parts of your brain that help you learn. And I'm going to be teaching Allie it. So Allie, I want to talk to you about 3 parts of your brain that help you learn. There's lots of parts of your brain, and they all want to be integrated, but these 3 parts can stop you from getting what you want, from not being able to learn. So there's your old brain that's part of the limbic system. That's called the amygdala, which is the pink, and the hippocampus, which is the green. Yes?
Why is it brown or purple?
I don't know. Maybe just to tell the difference. I got this poster from the Mind Up curriculum. So the amygdala and the hippocampus, the pink and the green, so it's the same thing on both sides of your brain, and it's located right behind the back of your ear on both sides. So that makes up your old brain. And our old brain had to survive. Our old brain had to really understand what was scary and what could hurt them, and it had to remember it so that we could survive as a species. So old brain reacts to their environment. And old brain remembers what things hurt us. So the amygdala holds on to feeling, and the hippocampus remembers. And we share that part of our brain with animals, like that dog of mine, who unfortunately is not in this video. Maybe we can get her on a clip at the end. So when old brain thinks it's needed, when old brain thinks there's a possible threat or a challenge, like school work, it wants to protect us, and it's only concerned about our immediate needs. So if you think schoolwork is challenging, your brain might think it needs to protect you, which is fine, but if we're stuck in our old brain, we can't get to our new brain where we learn. So the prefrontal cortex is where we learn. And it's also where we organize and plan and make decisions and notice other people's feelings. So when we react strongly with strong emotions, we want to learn how to soothe this old part of our brain so that we can let energy and information that comes into us so that we can get it to the front part of our brain where we can learn. So I'll share a little bit more of this on my class called Self-Development. If you're interested in paying attention to that class and learning more about things in about your social emotional well-being, why don't you get a hold of me, message me on Schoology, and I'll add you to that. It's a class, but it's more just an experience. It's experiential learning. So I can tell that Allie has really responded to this lesson. Well, I hope you did, though. Thank you. We'll see you next time.